How to make vegetable egg sauce. In a clean pot, I will add in cooking oil. Next, I will add in dashed onions. I just finished chopping the onions. It's one medium size of onions. I will stir fry this for just 2 minutes. Vegetable egg sauce is one of the best sauce you can use to eat any food of your choice, both yam, both rice. It's good to go with any recipe. Now I will just season with some seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Next, I will add in all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit of it, and stir this together. Our today haul goes to Kevin Emmanuel, watching from Ghana. I'm so happy to have you here, my brother. Thank you for loving the recipe. Don't forget to share. Next, I will be adding is chopped tomato. Don't forget to let us know where you are watching from, so the next haul will be for you. And don't forget to share our recipe to people around you. I will just cover this for 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, then I will open and see how it's looking. 3 minutes later, now it's cooked and it's ready. I'll just give it a little bit of stir, then add in the next ingredient, which is the carrot and the green bell pepper. I will just add in the green bell pepper and the onions and stir this together for 2 minutes. Then after that, I will still cover this to get cooked, because this is just a vegetable. You don't have to overcook that. I'll just for just 1 minute. I'm not dropping right up under this post. Check under the comment section for the ingredients I use. 1 minute later, this is what I have. Now it's time for me to add in the egg. I will be making use of 6 to 7 eggs. I'll just add all of it inside the pot. This time around, you don't need to first of all screw your egg together or mix the egg together. Just add it direct like this. Trust me guys, it's just so amazing. So I will just break all the egg, and after doing that, I will sprinkle some spring onions on top of the sauce. So I'll just add in a little bit of spring onions. Then after doing that, I will cover this again to cook for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes later, it's going to be ready to serve. Take a good look at that. So what I'm doing now is to break in the egg yolk so that it will get cooked. Now you don't have to scatter the egg so that the curd will not just go like that. So because I want to see the curd, so I will not scatter the egg. I'll just break it a little bit, then cover that for 1 second, and it's ready to serve. For now, I'm going to be enjoying the sauce with white rice, and over here is the egg sauce is ready. I'm just going to add in on top of the rice. So that is it, and it's ready to serve. If you like this video, don't forget to share. This is just the best and the easiest way you can make your vegetable egg sauce for dinner and breakfast. It's just too good to go. For me, I enjoy every bit of it. It looks so delicious and it comes so amazing. Don't forget to share. See you in my next one. Bye bye.